Reading practice number 6. Dear Miss Short, colon, as a progressive publisher of instructional materials, comma, you need the most reliable, comma, impartial information about enrollment trends in the various school subject areas, period. To provide this information, comma, we have made a state by state study of school enrollments, period. This extremely valuable research study will answer such important questions after this, colon, paragraph number 1. What is the actual size of the market, question mark, paragraph number 2. Where is the market concentrated, question mark, paragraph number 3. What subjects have substantially increasing enrollments, question mark, paragraph. You can purchase a copy of our research study for $14, period. Copies will be printed and delivered before the end of February, period. To receive your copy, comma, please sign and return the enclosed order form, period. When we receive your order, comma, we will fill it promptly, period. You will be making no mistake by ordering copy, comma, Miss Short, period. Cordially yours, comma. Transcription quiz number 7. Dear Mrs. Baxter, colon, the 10th annual conference of the World Energy Association will be held at the Empire Hotel in Albany from September 29 through October 2, period. As you will see in the enclosed descriptive circular, comma, speakers will include influential executives from several energy industries, comma, responsible officials from the federal government, comma, and distinguished electrical engineers from 70 countries, paragraph. The conference will offer you very good opportunity to exchange pertinent ideas relating to energy resources and to methods of improving their production and distributions, period. We believe our program will be an exciting, comma, completely rewarding experience, paragraph. I hope you will decide to attend our conference and take part in our discussions, Mrs. Baxter's, period. If there is any other information I can give you about the conference, please call me, period. Sincerely yours,